Mr. Chair, Chris Daly, Nevada State Education Association. Just wanted to point out again that we had several more members who were here who were interested in testifying on this bill last week. Interestingly enough, I would say that other than teacher evaluations, overcrowded classrooms is probably, you know, the number two issue that we hear about from our teacher members, which is why the original version of this bill was so intriguing, linking evaluations and teacher to pupil ratios. But I think with this amendment, we have a more workable, perhaps reasonable and passable bill that sets forward a process to go and have the Nevada Board of Education make recommendations about pupil to teacher ratios. And I think that'll be helpful. I mean, ultimately, yes, you know, when you're 47th in per pupil funding, a necessary byproduct of that is more kids in the classroom. And I think that, you know, the research, I do not believe to be conclusive that there's not a correlation between student achievement and ratios. I think, you know, there's some difference of opinion out there. And I think there's also some difference of opinion on out there in terms of what the exact numbers in terms of the ratio should be. And so I think it's probably good public policy to have our Board of Education decide that. Thank you.
Senator Hammond.
Thank you. Chris, just a quick question. I'm confused. So teacher evaluation is number 1. This is number 2. Where's ESAs? I thought this would be like number 1. I'm feeling pretty good right now.
Through the chair to Senator Hammond, I'm not sure if you have a live bill on that subject. Seriously, in terms of the day-to-day items that we hear about from our members, it very much is a evaluation and classroom size, and looking forward to a policy discussion on education savings accounts and whether that would perhaps even exacerbate those issues. Thank you very much.
And Mr. Daly, just so you know, it's not June 6th yet.
Touche.
All right, let's go to the